still heartbroken from his first BJ?
I don't know.
That was his last girlfriend, wasn't it? Oh my God.
When they used to call him Shrek. And Fiona.
Why?
So mean.
Why's that? Who's Fiona? His
With
girlfriend?
long hair.
Why? She was fat too?
A little
He
chubby.
was a bigger, a little bit.
What happened to Jeanette?
Jeanette?
Is that her name?
My ex-wife?
It might be recorded.
No, not.
I
No.
don't know anything about her.
No, she just gone, right?
Yeah.
I like that little girl.
I know.
What's her name?
Regine.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. She's a good girl.
Whatever happened to Carla Hay? Carla, the one you used to date, her friend.
Oh, I don't know. I have a...
She's
have
still.
kids?
She's still around.
Does she have kids?
No, she's still single.
Really? And how old is Carla?
She's gonna be 40 this year.